Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge, Sewage Plant Workshop Key. Where is it? What's behind it? And most importantly, is it worth it? Well, the easiest way to find this or anything else on Northridge or any ABI map is to check the map that I created linked down below. Simply come across here, search what you're looking for, in my case, sewage. Looking for the workshop key, clicking it takes us straight to where we need to be. You can see it's taken us across to the far east side of the map over here, zooming in into this main eastern building. On the ground floor, we should have this room here. Seems like my x-ray isn't working here. I'll have to update that. There we go. It's loaded. Right over here is the room that we're looking for. This little x-ray overlay was made by me. Super useful. Anyways, this is the door that we need to head to. Again, right here. What I'll do is I'll open my in-game map, periphery, zoom into the sewage plant, and we'll head exactly to that location where the door should be. Let's do it. Right, so making our way over here. A bit worrying that there's so much PvP nearby, but essentially we're making our way into that big building over there on the far south side. Clearing out a couple AI and making our way across. Should hopefully be safe. Into this big warehouse here, through this door. Immediately to our left, we should see this door right here. This is exactly what we're looking for. Unlocking this and heading inside. What secrets does it hold? Well, in our case, a toolbox immediately behind the door once we open it. For me, it didn't contain anything too crazy. Some loose loot on the table, maybe this table too. Over here, we've got a toolbox. Pro toolbox, sorry. This one contains, could have been better. And besides that, we have a safe over here immediately opposite the door. Inside of the safe, it seems to just have cash for me, but of course for you, you may be way more lucky. Anyways, there is a small amount of extra loot here that you can get. Checking the map, upstairs right over here is a free safe that you can access, so I'd recommend heading up the stairs and checking it out. So heading straight up, through and to this room. Safe is untouched. We'll quickly activate it, but there are people outside. Seems like they don't know this is here, just as well they don't know about my map. You know what, in second thought, taking notes here and take that. It's fine. Could have been better, but anyways, hopefully you find better loot than I did. Hopefully this video helped you. Let me know what you found down below. Thank you for watching my screen troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.